Hey, hold my beer and watch this. We're going to recover this rolled Jeep right after we roll the intro. Welcome back, guys. Joseph Fulmer here. This Friday night was unfortunately not going so well for the gentleman who owned this Jeep. Don't worry, there was no alcohol involved. He was on his way home from work. Just to give you a little preface, he went into a death wobble, which if you don't know what that is, search for it on YouTube. You'll understand once you watch the video. He tried to slow down, was trying to recover it, ended up going off in the ditch, and if you notice, it's very hard to tell in this video, but that ditch is about 4 feet deep. When he went off in the ditch, the front end dug in, and it flipped him end over end at least once. Unfortunately, the Jeep is not salvageable. It knocked both axles out of place. The unibody's all bent up. So I'm just out here to try and winch it out of the ditch, get it on the truck, and haul it back to his buddy's house so that he can clean his stuff out of it and they can figure out what they want to do with it. Now this Jeep, it had about, I'm going to say roughly 4 inches of lift, some off-road tires. And I think that may have contributed to the issue he had. Now, just so you know, he's fine. The man you just saw run through the shot, he was the driver. He was the only one in the vehicle. He's a little bit bruised and shaken up and rightfully not happy, but he survived just fine. He's not going to have any ill effects from this. So we're just going to winch it up out of the ditch here, and you'll see me rehook to try and get a better angle on it. But the way he rolled it over with the tires facing away from the road, I had to pull it up out of the ditch some so that I could actually roll it back over to get on the truck. Rolled it over, loaded it on the truck, and took it and dropped it off for him. So, do me a favor, if you haven't yet, subscribe to the channel. If you have, make sure you hit that notification bell so you get post notifications for all my videos when they're uploaded. Also, please share these with your friends, and don't forget to rate them when they're all over with. If you have any questions, drop them down in the comment section. I will try and answer them for you. Enjoy the video, guys.
Bye.